Run your eyes over those wallet figures. Yeah, they're the real deal. You might be asking how someone gets even a little cut of that. Stay calm. I'm here to take you from start to finish so you can walk off with serious money in your pocket. We're stepping into the plan right now, but first, avoid pump fun at all costs. It's just a mess. Total beginners can push coins out there for nothing, and that leads to non-stop spam. This is your shot to go the smarter direction and grab some serious profit. Open up Photon, filter it to show pump fun decks only, and you'll see new meme coins coming in non-stop. You'll catch a shit ton of garbage and extremely low effort tokens that were made in seconds all over the list, but they don't last long. It's no mystery. Pump fun's overloaded because literally anyone can throw one together. As we focus on Radium coins now, it's easy to see there's barely anything launching. In just a few minutes, only a few tokens have shown up. And when you compare that to Pump Fun's flood of coins, it's no contest. The attention here is wild. Market caps are way higher here. Pump Fun can't touch it. Why? You need dev skills to get listed on Radium, which cuts out the low effort stuff. This is the direction we're going. Here's the step by step. I found Launch Tool by accident, and I'm telling you, it's a total hidden gem. It's crazy good. You can launch a Radium coin without any programming at all, so it's super beginner friendly. Just a few taps and you're done. It's been making me consistent profit week after week and hasn't failed once. Logo's already taken care of. I found a decent one on Google. Went with a viral meme again, no surprise there. I seriously recommend looking online for something current and hilarious. Stuff like that makes people ape into your coin without hesitation. It's been the most effective move I've used. Now launch Canva, hit the Create Design button, set the size to 128 by 128, adjust anything you need, and save it. Time to hop into Launch Tool and start filling out your token details. I'm naming mine BZILL and setting the symbol to BZILL. Add a fun description that fits your theme. I'm going with, he didn't come to play, but came to bonk every chart into extinction. Upload the logo you made earlier and press next. The next page will bring you to the token economics. You don't need to change anything. It's pre-filled just right. That's because the 1 billion supply is essential for what's coming next. Hit next once more to access the creator info panel. Just so you know, changing anything here hits you with a 0.1 sol fee. In my opinion, that's not worth spending. I always disable the option and move on. The next section is for social profiles. You can paste your links in if you've got them, but I normally skip that too. Let's keep it moving. This next part is extremely important. Word of caution, flipping the wrong toggle here can completely backfire. You're probably asking why. If Revoke Freeze is disabled, it gives you full control to freeze trades at any time. With Revoke Mint left open, you can mint unlimited supply without restrictions. As for Revoke Update, it lets you rewrite the project info whenever it suits you. But here's the issue, anyone who sees those toggles still active won't stick around. It kills the trust factor, and with that, your ability to make sales. Keep the settings unchanged and click on Launch My Token. Your wallet will pop up shortly. Confirm the prompt like you normally do. That's the launch wrapped up. You can now review your token information. I'm checking mine through SoulScan as we speak. It's live, confirmed on the chain. But trading isn't possible yet. We have one more thing to handle. Time for the next part. Return to Launch Tool and click on Create Liquidity Pool. It'll take you directly to Radium's page. Make sure you're connected with your wallet first. Then pick your meme coin as the base asset. Click into the token selector, copy the address from Launch Tool, and paste it into the field under Select the Token. Start by entering your coin's info. BZILL goes in the symbol slot and BZILL as the token name. Click on Add User Token, and then select it again to confirm it. Input 900 million tokens. That's the usual chunk pulled from the full 1 billion supply. For quote token, go with Solana. Since you're making the first buy, it's totally safe to press max. Keep in mind, you'll need to leave 0.2 SOL out of the full amount. That's the fee Radium requires to create the pool. It's shown in yellow. Set your fee tier at 2%. After filling everything out, click on Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the prompt. And the trading pool is officially live. Check Photon and you'll see our meme token in the list. With that step done, let's now head over to see the chart in action. Visit dexscreener.com and choose any token just to get things going. Let the page fully load before moving on. Then open Launch Tool, copy the address of your token, and paste it over the default one in DexScreener. Hit the Enter key. Your live chart will now display. You might see some buys listed, but most of those are just bots kicking things off. Nothing to focus on just yet. Let's be patient and wait for something to appear in the order book. Meanwhile, keep checking your Radium dashboard here and there. Keep it on standard mode. You'll see your token position show below soon enough. These updates take a few minutes. Boom, we just got our first buyer, and it didn't take long. I'll scroll down a bit so you can see the transaction. It was a $42 buy, which equals about 0.25 sol. I'm going to wait a bit longer to see what other action comes through. Some people are selling too, but that's no issue. It increases volume, which makes the coin look more attractive to new buyers. And yep, second purchase confirmed. This one's at 0.37 sol and $64. Check out the current numbers. Liquidity is at $872, and the market cap has hit $941. That's a solid run so far, and I'm hoping we see those stats jump soon. What's crazy is you don't even need to advertise to make this work. You can run this same tactic over and over. Like I told you, this method is next level. By the way, I just noticed this. It's a pity, man, but it is what it is. We got two $17 sells, but let's wait a bit so we can flip that loss into profit. Speaking of sells, boom, third buy order just came through, worth $135 or almost 0.79 sol. Wild stuff. Since the sell pressure is high, I'm prepping to rug the moment the next order drops. And look at this. The coin has grown by over 300% since it was created. Oh wait, we just got our fourth buy, lighting fast. Dude, that's $170 in USD, which translates to about one full Solana added to our pool. Quick reminder, this is all just for education, and your experience might be different. Oh man, take a look at this. That's just unfortunate. You can see an almost $90 sell sitting right there in the order book. Honestly, that's not good news. Let's run the final check before I rug this thing into the ground. Liquidity sits at $1,000, market cap's at $1,200, and it's only been live for 27 minutes. Wild turnaround, honestly. That's plenty for me, so I'm taking my profits. Head over to Radium, plug in your wallet, and go to the Standard tab. And that's where your current position stands. Click the minus button like this. Set the slider to 100%. Your focus should be on the SOL. That's the payout you're after. Hit remove liquidity, confirm the wallet pop-up, and you'll get that message saying it's complete. That's when you know the profit's yours. Honestly, this is the part I love. Open Phantom and check it out. I invested about $300 and ended up pulling $220 in only 30 minutes. But real quick, I have no ties to Launchtool, Photon, or Radium. This whole tutorial is meant to educate only. The strategy is fire right now, but I can't promise it'll always be. If you're gonna jump in, better do it while it's still hot.